Good day everyone. Yesterday we were looking at some coins of unusual shapes, so I thought I'd continue that theme, and today's coin is 1992 Cook Islands $2 coin. I believe the Cook Islands was the first country to have a three-sided coin like this. There are a number of others around now, but they are particularly famous for having some very interesting coins, and we'll look at some of those in another video. This coin features a kava bowl, which is a traditional drink made from a kava root, and some sort of drinking implement there in the middle, and of course Queen Elizabeth II features on the coin, seeing that the Cook Islands is a member of the Commonwealth, British Commonwealth. I quite like this coin. It's very chunky, the detail is quite pronounced and stands out, and it feels quite nice in your hand. And yeah, very unusual looking coin, something you don't see every day. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe. See you again.